In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best NVR security camera system available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the NVR security camera system list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the NVR security camera system mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 4K Security Camera System with 8MP Audio Mic. This 4K security camera system offers high-resolution 8MP imaging, ensuring crisp and detailed video capture for enhanced surveillance. Equipped with audio capabilities, it captures both video and sound, making it ideal for monitoring your home or business environment. With PoE, Power over Ethernet, for seamless power and data transmission, this system is efficient and easy to install. The AI-powered color night vision provides clear images even in low-light conditions, ensuring round-the-clock security. This robust outdoor surveillance set is perfect for those seeking a reliable, all-encompassing security solution. Number 4, Smar 5MP/3MP Wi-Fi Camera Kit with AI Face Detection. This Wi-Fi camera kit offers a comprehensive 5MP or 3MP surveillance solution with advanced AI face detection for increased accuracy in identifying individuals. The full-color vision ensures vibrant, clear footage, while the 8-channel NVR with a built-in 10.1-inch LCD screen provides easy real-time viewing and management. This wireless CCTV system is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, offering flexibility and convenience for homeowners seeking an all-in-one security setup. Number 3, Techage 8CH 5MP HD PO CCTV System. The Techage 8-channel 5MP HD PO CCTV security system delivers high-definition video recording for reliable home surveillance. Its face detection feature adds an extra layer of security by identifying individuals accurately. With an NVR setup, it's easy to monitor multiple cameras across different areas, ensuring comprehensive coverage. This outdoor IP camera set is built for durability and clarity, making it an ideal choice for those who want effective surveillance with advanced facial recognition. Number 2, Hiseeu 5MP Wi-Fi CCTV Security System Kit. The Hiseeu 5MP Wi-Fi Security System is a versatile CCTV kit featuring a 10-channel NVR and P2P connectivity for remote access. It includes high-resolution outdoor IP cameras that capture clear video footage, ensuring reliable security around your home or property. The wireless design allows for a hassle-free setup, and the system's compatibility with multiple devices makes it easy to monitor your property anytime. This comprehensive surveillance system is an excellent choice for users seeking wireless flexibility and advanced monitoring. Number 1, KERUI 6MP 8CH Wireless NVR Security Camera Kit. The KERUI 6MP Wireless NVR Security System offers full HD video quality with its dual-lens IP cameras, providing detailed footage and a wider viewing angle. This 8-channel NVR system is wireless, making it quick to set up and perfect for home or business security. Equipped with audio recording, it captures both sound and video, enhancing overall surveillance. Ideal for outdoor use, this CCTV system ensures clear, high-quality footage, making it a comprehensive solution for effective video monitoring.